as we should be in self-quarantine for another 17 days or more. This video may be helpful to you. So let's get started. Things you can do in lockdown. Spend quality time with your family, like having a meal together, evening chit-chat, balcony coffee, karaoke evenings. Express your appreciation, gratitude for the things they do. Make them feel special to you. Expose yourself to bright sunlight in the morning while having coffee or during workouts so that you can get enough D vitamin too. Share the work. Help your mom or wife in cleaning, cooking, chopping vegetables, washing the dishes and so. Help your kids to learn new things and in education. Binge watch movies. Movies help us to relax, educate, inspire, motivate, make us laugh and cry. So choose good movies, TV series, inspirational videos and watch together. Cook for your family. No one is born a great cook. One learns by doing. And it is not always women's work. So make recipes for your family by taking tips from your grandparents, mom. Kitchens are made for bringing families together, and the secret ingredient is always love. Food tastes better when you eat it with your family. So come together. Cleaning. A clean home is a happy home. So it is the right time to keep the house clean and organized. Start doing from a portion of your room and so. Decorate your room or reorganize so as to get a new look. Workouts. Try to create more time for workouts, yoga, meditation by reducing your screen time. Regular exercise improves your quality of sleep too. Try fitness challenges with your friends. Sleep. It is the best days to implement early to bed, early to rise. Reduce your screen time or at least avoid bright screens before 1 to 2 hours of your bedtime. Take naps but limit to 15-20 minutes in the early noon. Read books. Never put off till tomorrow the book you can read today. So read the books which you have purchased but did not study or which you have forgot to read. The only important thing in a book is the meaning that it has for you. So share those good lines with your family and friends. Play games. Have fun together playing chess, ludo, caroms, puzzles, bingo and more and have fun. Learn new things and build new skills. Get creative. You can learn a new language, dancing, singing, drawing, painting, gardening, public speaking, DIYs, or take up a new hobby. Do something different every day, so every day is not the same. Please subscribe to Little Bites channel and hit like and share the video.